Alright guys, welcome back. This will be an introduction to blend spaces. We're going to get started by clicking on characters. Alright, we are going to right click and then we're going to go to animation, blend space. Not blend space 1D, blend space. And you're going to click your Ue4 mannequin that was up there. Alright, we are going to type idle underscore walk underscore run. Alright, and hit enter. Alright, this is, alright, double click it, drag it up, and we are going to need a, this is basically, we're going to need a direction here, and I'll explain as I go. Alright, you need a minimum of negative 180, like 180 degrees to a positive 180 degrees. You're gonna need a grid, and this will be, you can set that at 8. Interpolation time, don't worry about it, and don't worry about this one. This grid for if you're using the Unreal Animation Starter Pack, you only need 4, so leave it at the default what it was. Speed, and this will basically be how fast your character can go. 0 would be the minimum to 600, and then 300 would basically be your walk, and 600 is your run. 0 is idle. So down here would be your idle state. You're standing still. You're at 0 speed. So I'm gonna type idle. Scroll down and just find the first idle, and we're going to drag all those over to the bottom. There should be 9 of them altogether. And then there you go. Alright, so next would be our walk. Walk forward loop we want. Or it's walk backward loop. So we have walk backward loop. So what you can do is you can actually bring your walk backward loop here and walk backward loop here. If you found the walk forward, just put it there. So walk forward loop there. So now I just want to show you, if you press shift and then you click your left mouse with this little green thing, it'll actually show you how it blends up to the walk. See, from idle to blend, to walk. Nice blending. Alright, so what we want is we want our strafing. So we have our strafe right loop, that would be the 90 degrees, and then our strafe right 45 there. So 45, 90, then we would need strafe right 135, and then backwards at 180 degrees. Alright, same thing with the left. Strafe left loop, that's over here. We'll do the left 45 and then left 135. So basically, again, this is at your 0 direction, 45, 90, 135, and backwards completely 180. So as you can see, he blends into his walk. Then he's at 45 walking left. Now he's at 90 degrees walking left, basically just walking, in completely to his right, and then backwards 135, and then at a completely negative 180 walking backwards to his right. And then the same thing for the left, blending nicely. Alright, so we'll just leave it like right here. Now let's get into our run. Well, actually, because it's named very funny, so when you type run, you're probably the first thing that you pop up will be your run left loop. Put that in the 90, the run right. Where's our run? While they're all right here, we'll just do strafe left loop. That's 135. Strafe left 45. And then strafe right 135. Strafe right 45. 90. 135. These are all run. Alright, so we just need the run forward loop. That's what we need. Run forward loop. Alright, run forward loop. And then above it is the run backward loop. And then run backward loop. Alright, so again, as you hit shift and then shift on the green and drag it up, and look at, he'll go from a nice walk all the way, from an idle to walk to run, and then everything in between, you know? So, alright. Now, the thing is, if you have the animation starter pack, you're only going to have the 4 divisions, like I says, and you're not going to have this, the strafe left 45 and 135 on the left or right side for the walk or the run. But if there's enough demand for these videos, I can show you how to fix those in the animation starter pack, and we can actually fix it right in the editor. So again, if there's enough demand for these videos and people are using the animation starter pack and they want to know how to fix it, because of the animation starter pack, when you do go into your certain strafes, it looks a little funny with the legs, and there's a lot of just weird angles where it doesn't look right. So again, if you are watching these and again enough demand, I will I'll put out a video that shows how to fix that. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.